All right, so this video right here is really just going to be practicing, just repetition, doing stuff that we did. So this is a great opportunity for you to just not watch the video and try to do it on your own. Then just glide through the video and see how you did. That's if you feel good in your skills. If you don't feel good in your skills, then watch the video, watch step by step, and really strengthen them. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is analyze that I do in fact have an inscribed quadrilateral. That means 4x plus 9 and 3x plus 3. They're opposite angles, so they must be supplementary. All right, I'm going to get 7x plus 12 equals 180. All right, cruising right along. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides because remember, all right, just kind of a common mistake. We always need to combine like terms first. That's where I get that 12 from. Not all the time. Sometimes there's no like terms to combine. Sometimes you just can't do it. But we always got to at least check first. So then I'm going to get 7x equals 168. Because remember, then we want to get x by itself. All right, that should say 168. Divide by both sides by 7. We're going to get 168 divided by 7. X is 24. Sweet. Got it right. Nailed it. All right, because all it told me was find the value of x. Now it's telling me to find the value of x and y in the figure below. All right, so y is actually the easier one to find because opposite angles, we know one of them, they be supplementary. So then get y by itself. There's no combined like terms. Y is 97. All right, so since this is a multiple choice, I can cross out the ones where y is not 97. All right, now looking at this, x is an inscribed angle. All right, its intercepted arc is 168 degrees. But whoever made this, or excuse me, 186 degrees. Whoever made this problem was trying to be tricky because x doesn't actually not equal 186. An intercepted arc is, but remember, an inscribed angle is half the intercepted arc, so it's 93 degrees. That problem right there. We're proud of ourselves, so we're going to write swag. Okay, same problem, but different. Again, opposite angles, y plus 81 equals 180, y equals 99. All right, so, I'm very suspicious that x is just going to be 68, but let's just go ahead and practice the math just for the fun, because I know my videos are the funnest part about your day. All right, too bad my videos don't last longer, so you have more fun throughout your day. But yep, got it right there. Nailed it. All right, we'll do a Nike swoosh because we're pumped up. All right, now some more problems right here. Now let's look at this. We need to find the value of x and y, and I like this problem now because now we're kind of getting a little quirky, a lot going on. Focusing on this right here. First off, we got an equilateral triangle. So let me see it. All these angles are going to be the same. All right, they're all 60 degrees. Furthermore, what I want to focus on here is this particular angle. Remember, this angle right here, we haven't talked about it today, but this is a central angle because the angle is, vertex is in the center. All right, and central angles equal arcs, the arc measure. So if I zoom in super close, this is also 60, so y is then 60 degrees, all right? Central angles and arc measures are the same. And we even write y, even though, all right, cool. Now, x, kind of the punchline of the day, is an inscribed angle. and that's 30 degrees. All right. Why is it 30 degrees? Remember, they're half arc measure. All right. They don't equal the arc measure. They're half of it, or they're half the central angle. All right. So in this particular case, it's number C is the answer. Number C. All right. Some more quirkiness over here. What the heck's going on? All right. What I really like about this problem is, let's look at this junk right. We'll just knock out y. Y is actually super easy, barely inconvenience. All right, we got an intercepted arc of 42 degrees, so it's just half of that. So y equals 21. All right, so we killed those answers. It's not number A or number D. So now it's between number B and number C. All right. Now let's look at this. This right here, we got a right angle. All right, so since this is 90 degrees, to go this way, we're going to be doubling it, multiplying it by 2. So it's simply 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Or I mean 180 degrees Celsius, my bad. All right, now we got some more problems. All right, this is some more, one of these, we're revisiting some older stuff in some of these. But anyways, PR, all right, in the circle shown below, the measure of PR is 140, and the measure of RPQ is 50. All right, what's the measure of arc PQ? So what we want to find is this right here. All right. So what I like about this problem is it's some stuff we were just talking about, such as this arc. It's just going to be times 2. It's going to be 100 degrees. All right. All we did was times it by 2. And then remember, circles are 360 degrees. So the measure of arc PQ plus 140 degrees plus 100 degrees equals the whole thing 360 degrees. All right. So then we're going to combine like terms. And then get x by itself, or measure by itself. It's 120 degrees. All right. And that's it. Cool beans, smiley face. And then, unfortunately, this is the last problem of the notes. I know you're probably very disappointed, but QS is a diameter of the circle. All right, QS is the diameter, and then it's telling us that these are actually perpendicular. So there's some side effects of this. Anywho, PQR, telling us down here, PQR, which is this arc right here, is 106 degrees. What's the measure of angle or arc PS? All right. So we got a lot going on, but basically a side effect of this is that arc PS is going to be congruent to arc RS, and told us arc PQR was 106. So all I'm going to call that is x and x. I'm going to say, well, x plus 106 equals 360. Subtract 106 from both sides. We get 2x equals 254. Divide both sides by 2. And we're going to get x equals 254 divided by 2 is 127. All right. So that's 127 degrees, that's 127 degrees, and that's that. All right, have a good